Today we're diving into one of the most exciting battles in the mid-range smartphone segment, the Oppo Reno 13F versus the Vivo V50 Lite. Both devices pack impressive specs, but which one truly stands out? Let's break it down. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and updates. Let's start with the most crucial factor for many buyers, the price. The Oppo Reno 13F comes in at 1,299 dirhams, offering 12 GB of RAM and a generous 256 GB of internal storage. On the other hand, the Vivo V50 Lite presents a more budget-friendly option at 1,099 dirhams, still packing 12 GB of RAM and with same 256 GB of storage. This significant price difference of 200 dirhams immediately sets these phones in different value propositions, making the choice more straightforward, depending on your budget constraints and storage needs. Now, let's compare the designs of these two smartphones. The Oppo Reno 13F showcases a sleek, durable aesthetic with a matte plastic back and an impressively slim profile of just 7.8mm, weighing a lightweight 192 grams. Its polycarbonate plastic frame adds sturdiness without compromising durability. Available in sophisticated shades of skyline blue and graphite gray, the phone also boasts an IP69 rating, ensuring exceptional resistance to dust and high-pressure water jets. It can even survive immersion in water up to 2 meters deep for 30 minutes. In contrast, the Vivo V50 Lite follows a similar design language, featuring a polycarbonate frame and a matte finish back panel. While it matches the Reno 13F in thickness, it comes in slightly heavier at 197 grams, primarily due to its larger battery capacity. However, its IP65 rating offers only splash resistance, making it less rugged compared to the Oppo Reno 13F's more robust protection. Choosing a winner in terms of design is a close call. Both phones share similar high-quality materials, but the Reno 13F pulls slightly ahead with its superior IP69 rating, offering better dust and water resistance compared to the V50 Lite's IP65 protection. If durability is a priority, Oppo's flagship takes the edge, though aesthetics and feel remain nearly identical. Turning to the display, the Oppo Reno 13F boasts a spacious 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring fluid visuals. It reaches an impressive peak brightness of 2100 nits, making it easily viewable even in bright sunlight. The display offers a sharp resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 395 pixels per inch, delivering rich, vibrant colors and deep contrast for an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, both phones feature a convenient in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. On the other hand, the Vivo V50 Lite features a slightly larger 6.77-inch AMOLED display, also supporting a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. While its peak brightness of 1800 nits is a bit lower than the Reno 13F's, the difference is minimal in real-world use. The resolution comes in at 1080 by 2392 pixels with a pixel density of 388 pixels per inch, ensuring crisp and vibrant visuals. So, which one wins? It's another tight race. There's hardly a noticeable gap between the two. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno 13F runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, a slightly older processor clocked at 2.2 GHz. It comes paired with 12 GB of RAM and offers two storage options, 256 GB or 512 GB. While not the latest silicon, this setup still delivers smooth performance for everyday multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications. Meanwhile, the Vivo V50 Lite steps things up with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, featuring a faster 2.4 GHz clock speed along with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. In terms of raw processing power, the V50 Lite has a slight edge, making it the better choice for intensive tasks. However, the difference isn't drastic. It's still a close competition between the two. When it comes to camera performance, the Oppo Reno 13F features a versatile triple camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. Oppo's AI-powered image processing delivers vibrant, detailed photos with particularly impressive portrait mode results, perfect for social media content creators. The 32-megapixel front-facing camera captures sharp selfies and performs well for video calls. The Vivo V50 Lite counters with a capable dual-camera system featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor and 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, though it lacks the additional macro lens found on the Reno 13F. Its 32-megapixel front camera matches Oppo's offering for selfies and video chats. While both phones produce excellent images, the Reno 13F technically offers more versatility with its macro capability. However, in practical use, the macro lens makes little difference for most users. It's more of a nice-to-have bonus than an essential feature. The actual photo quality between these two devices remains remarkably close in everyday shooting scenarios. Battery performance often determines whether a smartphone truly meets user needs, and both the Oppo Reno 13F and Vivo V50 Lite excel in this crucial area. The Reno 13F packs a substantial 5,800 mAh battery supported by 45-watt fast charging technology. This setup consistently delivers all-day endurance even with intensive use, while the fast charging capability can revive the device from empty to 44% in just half an hour, perfect for quick power boosts during a busy day. The Vivo V50 Lite, however, pushes boundaries with its cutting-edge 6,500 mAh silicon carbon battery and industry-leading 90-watt super-fast charging. This powerhouse combination achieves what few competitors can: a complete 100% charge in just 52 minutes while offering enough capacity to potentially last through 2 full days of moderate usage. The innovative battery chemistry not only increases energy density but also enhances long-term durability. When evaluating these power systems side by side, the V50 Lite emerges as the clear champion for users who prioritize battery life above all else. Its superior capacity and blazing fast charging speeds virtually eliminate battery anxiety. That said, the Reno 13F still presents an excellent, balanced option, particularly for users who value reliable all-day performance and find its more moderate charging speeds perfectly adequate for their daily routine. The choice ultimately depends on whether you prefer maximum endurance or a more balanced approach to power management. After carefully evaluating both devices, the winner ultimately depends on what you value most in a smartphone. For my needs, the Vivo V50 Lite stands out as the clear champion. It delivers superior processing power, exceptional battery life with industry-leading fast charging, and does so at a more attractive price point. This powerful combination makes it perfect for users who demand top-tier performance and don't want to compromise on endurance. That said, the Oppo Reno 13F remains an excellent alternative that holds its own in this comparison. While it may not match the V50 Lite's raw power and charging speeds, it offers a well-rounded experience that many users will find more than sufficient. The final choice isn't about which phone is objectively better, but rather which one aligns with your specific needs and usage patterns. Whether you prioritize cutting-edge performance or prefer a balanced approach, both of these smartphones have something impressive to offer. That wraps up our in-depth comparison between the Oppo Reno 13F and Vivo V50 Lite. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these smartphones would you choose and why? Drop your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing for more tech content, and ringing the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out.